कोणीला अक्षर हा Hello students and welcome to one more session of personality development and communication skill classes. So this is today's class is all about teamwork, working in a team and what is its importance. So as you all know that teamwork is very much important because when you pull up the work or efficiency and skills of a group of people together, it gives a synergy effect. Now synergy means where the output is greater than the sum total of inputs, means it's something like 2 plus 2 it becomes 22 or 5. So when a group of people together do some work, the output or the productivity is enhanced. So teamwork is all about achieving a shared goal, a common way, in an effective way so that you get the best efficiency. So this involves listening to members, respecting each other, doing a meeting, setting up the ideas, goals, dividing the work. It is not about just winning alone, it is winning along with the team, taking together every say the best of the team and also I won't say worst but then average person in a team. Okay, so each person is good at something and so when you divide the work accordingly and at the end coordinate it properly, it will reach in a very good result. Also when you are working in a team, ideas are pulled up. There are what you can say brainstorming wherein there is some amount of conflict also, which that conflict which is good for the team, for the work, because there are ideas, clash of ideas, and in the end there is a consensus where an improved output and goal or idea is generated. So working in a team is not only working alone but also coordinating with others and taking the shared responsibility of success as well as failure. This results in sharing of risk. So with a team you can take high risk than taking it alone. Then when you talk about benefits, so we can jot down it precisely into, say for example, lone workers will not attain the best, but it can be only possible when you work in a team. The same thing can be viewed in different point of view because different people are there in trying to solve the problem and thereby diverse perspectives gives improved innovation and creativity. Team when you're working in a team, you are happier because there is someone to relax, to crack a joke, to hang out, to chill with when you are say relaxing with a cup of coffee or tea. So when you are alone you may become bored and exhausted and there is no one to cheer, but when you are in a team, even if you are relaxed and bored, say a cup of coffee together for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, say some cracking of jokes will cheer you up and regenerate your energy. So when you are in a team, you not only grow say intellectually, but also your communication skills, your interpersonal skills enhance, and you constantly learn because you're with the team. You learn from them, you teach them, so it is a mutual benefit. Work pressure is low because you're sharing the work, and so your energy will not be burned out so easily. There will be less stress. Dividing the work into small bits makes your skills enhanced and you become the specialized in that work. Thereby your expertise in that skill enhances so that you become a improved worker. Then also when a team worker is doing good, he has been appreciated by others and thereby the motivation is increased and productivity increases. If say there is some flaws, then also you don't have to worry, your team members will boost you up and you will recover very effectively. In teams you can take huge risk and the risk really pays off because there is a support staff to do that. When you're in a team, you're less stressed. As I told you, you can crack a joke, relax, and then go again. Good communications is improved because you are in a team constantly with people talking, conveying messages, getting messages, and thereby your not only your communication increases but also your same creativity, uh, your energy level all gets boosted up. So if you want to perform better in a team, you have to keep in mind these factors. uh, so teams understand the goals and it's committed to attaining it. So when you're working in a team, you have to know what is the goal and accordingly you have to perform. You can't do it alone your way. It's not like my way, uh, the best way. No, it's not like that. Everybody has to come together and be committed to what you are achieving it. You can't have diverse goals if you want to win as a team. Say in a team, different viewpoints and creativity innovations are accepted, so you have to do some brainstorming, come together, talk, plan about it, and come to a consensus so that there is no say mutual distrust or say confusion. Then communication should be open and honest. You shouldn't hide anything from your team. You should be very respectful. You should trust them. You should believe them. You should not hide anything from them, so that the information, there is transparency in every information in your behavior and they are not deceived in the end. Then you have to be as a team, as I told you, risk taking is easy, but you shouldn't take uncalculated huge risk which will have to be say paid off by every other team member. So you have to take a reasonable risk, so that which can be handled as a team, and not that risk shouldn't be over the say edge. Then the last thing is members of the team make high quality decisions together. I told you before that because there is expertise. When there is a team means we are taking people who are skilled in different things, and so when this skill pool up, your decisions, quality decisions are taken, productivity is increased and enhanced. So this is all about teamwork and how can you build a team, what are the tips. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.